Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about increasing fees and longer customer upgrade timers on Boost Mobile. So yeah, guys, so like I said, the fees are going up. Hey guys, and welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about more Boost Mobile related news. Since I'm still waiting on my phone that I ordered about 10 days ago or so, I'm gonna have to check with Boost Mobile and see what's going on. Why haven't I got my device? If not, they need to give me my money back. So yeah, but another news, that's why I haven't uploaded, guys. Like I said, I've been kind of waiting for that phone so I can do the unboxing for you guys, but it still hasn't come. So if it doesn't come here by tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna call Boost Mobile and see what's the holdup. But in today's news, like I said, brought to you by, again, bestmvknow.com. Check them out. Very good website. Let's talk about it, where fees, again, are going up. And like I said, I've made previous videos talking about that the fees were going to go up on Boost Mobile and T-Mobile, but this is just strictly Boost Mobile. And now they're making the upgrade timer even longer. So it says last month, Best MVNO reported that Boost Mobile was raising its store payment fee from $3 to $4. Like I said, same thing. I did a video about this and did a review on it. It says Wave 7 research and YouTuber Sneed Mobile Tech, check him out as well, pretty cool guy, have since reported additional fee hikes and changes, guys. So apart from the $3 to the $4 in-store payment fee, which, like I said, that's the biggest thing that I think is a bunch of baloney. I understand them maybe charging you $3 or $4 if you call over the phone, because you have to go through customer service or something like that, which some carriers do. If you pay over the phone with customer service, they charge you $7, guys. I know Verizon does it, but then again, it's Verizon, so Verizon, it's gonna cost a lot of money. So I know, I think Verizon and now a couple of the carriers do it now, where, like I said, if you call customer service, if you don't go through the automated machine, you actually talk to a representative, it's $7. Now, Boost Mobile's charging you in store, guys. Now, remember, they don't charge you taxes, so to some people, it might be actually worth it, because if you did pay taxes, either way, it's going to be about an extra $3 or $4. But Boost Mobile is raising its in-store payment fee from $3 to $4. It says on April 27th, Boost increased its device upgrade activation fee to $35, guys. Jeez, man, I know. So I'll give you my personal thoughts in just a little bit once I'm done reading this to you guys. If not, we're never going to finish. So their upgrade activation fees is now going to be $35, guys, from $25. That's a $10 increase. You might be thinking it's only $10, guys. $10 is a lot of money, especially if you think about it, if you multiply it by the amount of customers that come into the store. So to them, that's a big, big win. And I'm hoping they're using this money for good stuff. It says, and on secondary lines to 25 up from 15. So on secondary lines, they're going to charge you $25. Same thing, a $10 increase up from 15. So basically, any upgrade fees that they have, it's going to go up $10. It says Boost also increased the amount of time required before customers can upgrade their device, with promotional pricing going from 180 days to 270 days, guys. That's a long time. Now, reckon, guys, I must say that yes, that seems like a long time, but some carriers actually do a year, either 6 months to a year, before you can even get an upgrade. So I think this is kind of still pretty low in my eyes versus other carriers and competitors. It does suck that it went from, I think before it was 120 days, and it went to 180 days, and now it's 270 days, guys, before you can get a discount on the phone. And of course, all of this leads back to money, guys. They're probably losing money on them upgrades, so they're making it, for you to have it a lot longer and be a customer with Boost Mobile if you want to get that upgrade. And of course, a $10 increase for their activation fees and a $1 increase in store payments. That's an $11 increase, guys. $10 of increase for the activation and a $1 for payment in store. It's $11, guys. That goes a long, long way. Like I said, think about it. You might be saying, oh, it's only $11, so it's only $1, it's only $10 here. Like I said, think about it. 1 million people let's just say 1 million people make their payment or whatever on a month. That's a lot of freaking money, man. I would say just take 11 multiply by 1 million. That's just an example I'm giving, but they probably have a lot more customers. 4 or 5 million, whatever it is, 8 million, whatever it is. Like I said, multiply that number that I just gave you an example times basically 11. So that's a big increase. It says one other change made was to the per box fee that Boost charges its dealers. So now this goes to the dealers. So if you're a dealer or the store, so it's Boost Mobile now is charging the stores. To support promotions, Boost charges dealers a $2 fee for each box sold. Wow, what a bunch of scumbags, maybe should I say. That's not cool. Boost Mobile's really squeezing everything, and this is not really Boost Mobile now. It's basically Dish Network, because they own Boost Mobile. All these increases and changes, guys, and removal of unlimited data basically started when Dish Network took over the company. So that's a big thing and a big blow to dealers. I can probably see some dealers getting really mad. So for new lines importance, the fee remains at $2. For upgrades, this fee is now $6, guys. What the heck? So the commission paid out to dealers for each phone upgrade is now $4 lower than before. So that's a big thing, guys. How these dealers or stores supposed to make money? They're literally, eating at their frontline associates and workers, because the stores are out there. It costs money to run these stores. They got to run, they have to spend money on employees as well. So that's a big thing that I think sucks. I don't know what Boost Mobile's doing. Like I said, Dish Network, when I say Boost Mobile, but that's a big increase that I don't like. Like I said, that $10, geez, that's a lot of money, especially for people that are struggling right now. And okay, I can see them, doing these price increases, like I said, to make more money for maybe 5G. And they're building out. Now, remember, that Dish Network is building out their 5G network. So they could be trying to use this money to increase or speed up their network as well. At least that's what I would think. Maybe get better promotions. Who knows? I would say definitely invest in 5G network, because pretty soon, a year or two more, Dish Network has to have its 5G network up and running, because right now it's using T-Mobile's network. So maybe that's what they're doing, but I'm not liking these news. It's pretty bad press and a lot of bad negative stuff that has happened to Boost Mobile. It's not what the company used to be. Like I said, especially with them running out of, or eliminating the unlimited data plans that they had, now capping it at 35 gigs. A lot of rumors are saying that could be because they're trying to make a postpaid plan, and maybe that's where they're going to have unlimited data. That's about it for me, guys. So yeah, it pretty sucks. Like I said, $10 activation fees, $1 in-store payment fees, and then $4 lower on commission paid out to the stores. Which, like I said, it's only, you might be saying, oh wow, it's $4 lower, but guys, like I said, think about it. How many customers? Multiply that by tens of hundreds of thousands of customers or whatever. Well, to be sure, maybe you might be doing in a store with high volume, probably 5 to 1,000 customers. That's a lot of money, that the stores could be using to pay for their employees or make events or something. So shame on you, Boost and Dish Network, especially if you're watching this video. Shame on you. You need to support your local dealers and make better deals for customers as well. So big stuff, guys. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and catch you later. Hopefully when my phone gets here, guys.